Maayong Adto, everyone. Good day, whatever time it is that you're tuning in. It's good to have you here. I'm glad that you are checking in again. I decided to do a combined video from today and from yesterday because our activities paired well together. So thanks for your patience. I hope you weren't searching too hard for yesterday's video. Over the last 2 days, we've been doing 2 projects, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Our mornings have been spent out in Darwin at the Silliman Marina Clinic. Dr. Roshi taught us a lot about herbal remedies and the need to have medical care for all people here in Negros Oriental. So the Silliman Nursing Clinic does a lot to make sure that people of all walks of life are able to get adequate medical care, and part of that includes learning how to create home remedies. So we learned a lot of the cooking terms. We were able to actually create some herbal remedies today in partners. I think there were 4 to 5, maybe 6 different remedies that were created today using plants and materials that are readily available here in the Philippines, especially in this region.
Naghimo ko u kalachuchi ointment, nagkiskis ko duha ka sanga, giokay ni Leandra dahon uglana para sa katol-katol sa panit. Kagahapon, yesterday, we also got to cook our own lunch using, again, materials that are found in the region. It was lami kaayo. It was very delicious.
In the afternoon, we've been at another location of Silliman University at their Fine Arts Center working on our music. So we'll be performing these at the end of our Fulbright program as part of our final culminating project.
Today's food of the day is Canton pancit from Chowking, recommended specifically by my student back home.
I think that's all I have for you today. So thanks for tuning in. Again, thanks for your patience in this combined video from yesterday and today. And magkita sa unya. See you later.